In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the Shared Projects feature in Canva, a popular design tool many of us use daily. Whether you're collaborating on creative projects or simply trying to organize your workspace, mastering this feature can significantly enhance your workflow. So, let's dive in and get started. First, let's head over to your Canva home. Go ahead and open up your web browser and type in Canva's website, or simply click on your saved bookmark if you have it. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the Canva home screen, which is your jumping off point for all your creative work. This is where you can access your various projects, templates, and design options. Over on this page, you'll notice different tabs or sections with projects prominently displayed among them. Now go ahead and click on the Projects tab. This is where you'll find an overview of all your projects, neatly organized and ready for you to navigate. However, for the purpose of this walkthrough, we're focusing on projects that have been shared with you by others. To view these, you simply need to adjust the settings a bit. Locate the Owner drop-down menu, which is likely set to display your owned projects by default. Change the Owner filter to Shared with You. This action triggers the display of all the projects others have shared with you, providing you with quick and easy access to collaborate or review them. Once you have a clear view of the shared projects, you might notice some projects you'd prefer not to see daily, perhaps due to project completion or being less relevant. Canva offers a simple solution for minimizing clutter. Move your cursor over to the specific project you wish to hide. You'll see a neat little set of 3 dots, commonly known as the More Options button, appearing near the project's thumbnail. Click on these 3 dots and a menu will appear. From this menu, select the Hide option. This action will effectively remove the project from your immediate view without permanently deleting it, maintaining your workspace's cleanliness and focus. And just like that, you've organized your shared projects in Canva. It's a small but powerful feature that makes collaborative work smoother and helps keep your design space personalized. Remember, at any point, you can repeat these steps to adjust the visibility of other projects. Keeping your digital space tidy and organized is key to staying productive and efficient. That's the wrap for today's guide. Hopefully, this has provided you with a clearer understanding of how to manage shared projects within Canva. Navigating and organizing shared resources can significantly impact your workflow, making collaboration much easier and more effective. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, happy designing.